Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro. I got this one from Boost Infinite. You can get this actually for free. I believe what you do have to do is you have to get a Boost Infinite contract, which is, I think it's something like $60, $65 plus tax, and I think it comes out to like $80 per month. But I think it's a great value if you don't want to pay up front for an iPhone, you know, because these things are expensive. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right, see what's in the box. All right, so here we have just some paperwork. Here's a phone, and that's it. Put the box to the side, and let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Now, just a simple box. Don't expect to get a charger in here because, you know, they don't put chargers anymore. Because, you know, they want to say that they're doing it for the environment. But when you go out and spend $30 for a charger, then it's okay. You know, as long as you spend money, then that doesn't matter. So anyway, let's go ahead and see how we're going to open this bad boy up. So I believe there should be somewhere I get to peel this off somewhere. Because I don't see that it's stuck anywhere. So, okay, here we go. Just peel this off here. And there we go. Just pull it out. And here is the iPhone 16 Pro. Now, this one is a lot smaller than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So, anyway, this is the phone. And it does have a charging cable. And the charging cable that comes with this device is a Type-C. So that's very, very nice, because I actually hate the lightning cables. So anyways, let's go ahead and peel this off. Boom. That's my favorite part. It's peeling it off. All right, so this is kind of, I mean, it's got some heft to it. Not too heavy, not heavy like the Pro Max version. Feels good in the hand. So I believe this is a 6-inch screen, 6.1. All right, let's go ahead and boot it up and see if there's any power. And while I do that, I have to put all the information in and, you know, get up to the setup screen. But before we do that, just kind of go over some basics. So here's a Type-C charging. Got the dual speakers in the bottom here. So it's got a stereo speakers. And let's up here we have this little antenna right here. Got triple camera setup. Got a zoom lens, ultra wide, and I believe a macro. So here we go. This is the iPhone 16 Pro. I really like the size though. This just fits really, really nice in the hand. And because the Pro Max versions are just too heavy, too bulky to keep inside, especially put in your pocket. And this is really, really nice. Now, I do get a case, and I do love the metal sides here. It looks really, really nice. Beautiful phone. And look at that color. That color's majestic, man. It's beautiful. All right, so let's go ahead and boot this thing up, put in information, and I'll do my first impressions. All right, guys, I'm back. So I got this bad boy set up here now. With these iPhones, man, it takes a long time to set them up, man. They're a pain in the ass as far as setting them up and transferring all your data from your other phone to this phone. It takes about an hour or 2 hours, depending on the connection that you have at your house and whatever, internet. So yeah, these iPhones are a real pain in the ass to transfer all your information over. But anyways, got the whole thing set up. All right, so here's the device. We have let me go ahead and put my pin in here. And so first thing is, this phone comes with a triple camera system. So it has a 48 megapixel ultra wide, 48 megapixel wide, and it has a 5x digital zoom. So that's really, really good. So with the 5x digital zoom, you're probably going to be able to, I'm going to say go about 30x, you know, here or there, maybe 20. I know that the zoom's not as good as it is on the Samsung Galaxy, you know, like S24, or even the Pixel 9 Pro, or Pixel 8 Pro, or Pixel 7 Pro. Those zooms are really, really good. But for what it is, it's really good. Anyways, you got the 6.3-inch display. It's so funny because it's 6.3, but it looks really, really small compared to the Pro Max version, which is like 6.7, 6.8. But when you hold it in your hand, it feels really, really good. 6.3 is, I think, a perfect size for a phone. It's a perfect size for a lot of things, but does feel really, really good. So I really like that. It's not too heavy. It's very pocketable. I like the build quality, and I actually love the fact that it has a Type-C charging port in the bottom. This phone comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM, the A18 Bionic chip. To be honest with you, Apple optimizes their phones so well that speed is never a factor. Whether you have an iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, they're all pretty much going to run the same. You're not going to notice much difference on any of them as far as connectivity is concerned. Just like you're going to be able to scroll through your apps, fluidly. Apple's, really good at optimizing their social media apps and everything like that. So you're going to have no issues. So if you have like iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, should you upgrade? I think if you have a 12, I would definitely go for it. You have a 15, there's absolutely no reason to. If you have a 14, why would you? 13, I'd say go for it, just for the fact that they added the Type-C, and I think the Type-C is really, really good. I just got sick of the Lightning Link. I just always felt like I wasn't a fan of the Lightning. So I'm not sure why. It's just like one of those things that it was my pet peeve, where it kind of reminded me of the when they had the micro USB for the Android devices. They finally all went to USB Type-C, thank God. So, but all in all, yeah, this is a fantastic phone. Now this one has 1 terabyte of internal storage. So that is really, really, really awesome. Because like with Apple and with like Samsung high-end phones and with Google, if you have like a base storage of 128 gigabytes, that's nothing. I mean, that literally can be filled up within a few weeks, and then you have to, of course, you have to use cloud service to upload them, or get an expandable storage, and transfer the data over. But when you have a terabyte, man, you should be pretty good for a while. So this phone's pretty much going to be used by my wife. She loves Apple, so I'm still an Android guy. I will always be Android. Not that I don't like Apple. I just always felt like Android was more customizable. But look at the bezels on this thing. Look how thin they are, man. I mean, wow, this is beautiful. The bezels on this phone are bezel-less. I mean, they are just so tiny. Like, they really did a good design on this one. Bezels are great here. There's no bezels. Some of them had bezels. Now, I do like this kind of visor here, which is better than the notch that they had over there on the top before. So they got rid of that. Look how beautiful that is. It's been the trend the last couple of years, but yeah, that's much, much better now. It looks more premium. Just looks like this is a modern phone. So fantastic. Definitely a great device. Now, you could get the 16 Pro Max, which is a bigger, heavier phone than this. Just depends on your preferences, but I have small hands, and I think for me that this is actually a perfect size device. So if I were to go for an iPhone, I'm definitely getting a phone that's smaller, and it's not small, because when you look at the lack of bezels, this covers a lot of real estate here. So let's just go ahead and see, how there's still things that are uploading and downloading here, so I'm not, finished with everything, but you can just see how you can watch a video, and everything is pretty much, just look at that, just beautiful. Look at the screen, look at the colors. Really, really nice. Just really, really nice. It's beautiful. I mean, it's just fantastic. So you're not gonna have any problem scrolling. This is a great phone. And like I said, if you can get the 1 terabyte model, do it, because you're gonna need it, especially if you're gonna keep this phone for 4 or 5 years. Now this is a Boost Mobile version, so I assume it's going to be locked for about a year before you're able to unlock it. It's, you know, you can go boostmobile.com, and they also go through the Infinite, Boost Mobile Infinite, and you can get this phone for free. Now this phone wasn't actually free because we upgraded to the 1 terabyte. So I think that was an extra $6 per month, which is still a very, very good deal. So if you want it free, then I think you got to get it for the base model, but it's not a big deal because you're still saving money. This would be like a $1,500, $1,600 phone if you buy it outright cash. So I think with Boost Infinite, the payment comes out to $80 a month. That's with the phone and with the $65 plan. And I think the $15 charge is for the device. So like I said, if you want a free device, you don't need to upgrade to the storage. But if you want more storage, it's worth paying a little bit more. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay tuned, stay blessed, and take care. And do not forget to subscribe down below. Thank you.